The journey beyond the solar system more than 4 decades ago, a remarkable idea took shape at NASA. What if humanity could build a spacecraft, no larger than a small car, and send it farther than any human creation had ever traveled? What if we could not only reach the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, but also continue past them, beyond the comforting glow of our Sun, into the deep sea of interstellar space? This daring vision gave birth to Voyager 1. Launched on September 5, 1977, it was more than just a machine. It was humanity's ambassador to the cosmos. On board, it carried not only instruments for science, but also a message. The Golden Record, a time capsule containing sounds, images, and greetings from Earth, intended for any intelligent beings that might one day find it. The spacecraft's mission was as ambitious as it was dangerous. Voyager 1 would take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a cosmic window that occurs only once every 176 years. This gravitational slingshot would allow it to leapfrog from planet to planet, using the massive pull of Jupiter and Saturn to hurl itself farther into space than any spacecraft had gone before. The first leg of its journey was to Jupiter. There, Voyager 1 revealed a world more violent and beautiful than we had ever imagined. Its cameras captured Jupiter's Great Red Spot as a raging storm larger than the Earth itself. It showed us volcanic eruptions on Io, icy landscapes on Europa, and chaotic terrain that suggested oceans might lie hidden beneath the ice. From Jupiter, Voyager 1 journeyed to Saturn, uncovering its breathtaking rings in stunning detail. It sent back images of mysterious moons like Titan, cloaked in thick atmosphere, hinting at chemical secrets that scientists are still unraveling today. With every picture and every measurement, Voyager 1 expanded our understanding of the solar system, and with it, our sense of wonder. Yet, its mission was never meant to stop at the planets. NASA had designed Voyager with a grander purpose in mind. After its planetary encounters, it was set on a path that would carry it out of the solar system itself. No longer bound to the familiar gravity wells of planets, it would become the first emissary of humankind to venture into the interstellar void. The years rolled on, and Voyager 1 pressed steadily outward, into the darkness where the Sun's influence begins to wane. Scientists watched as it approached the heliosphere, the great protective bubble of charged particles blown outward by the solar wind. For decades, no one knew exactly where the edge of this bubble lay. Then, in 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the boundary. It entered interstellar space, becoming the first human-made object to leave the solar system behind. That moment was not just scientific history, it was a profound turning point in human civilization. For the first time, something built by human hands had stepped outside the cradle of our Sun's domain and into the galaxy itself. Today, Voyager 1 is more than 23 billion kilometers away from Earth. Its radio signals, traveling at the speed of light, take over 22 hours to reach us. Every bit of data it sends home is precious, tiny fragments of knowledge carved out of the darkness. And despite being equipped with technology from the 1970s, its instruments still function. Its faint, steady heartbeat continues to reach across unimaginable distances. Each signal is not just science, it is a reminder that human curiosity has no limits. Voyager 1's journey is a triumph of engineering, yes. But it is also a story about human ambition. It is proof that even a species tied to one small blue planet can send its thoughts, its questions, and its presence into the eternal night. Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft, it is a symbol. A fragile machine of metal and wires, yes, but also a shining emblem of what humanity can achieve when it dares to dream bigger than fear. And yet, even after 4.5 decades of travel, the impossible discovery. As Voyager 1 drifted deeper into the cosmic ocean, beyond the Sun's protective bubble, it entered a realm where no spacecraft had ever traveled. This was interstellar space, the dark frontier between the stars. Scientists expected calmness here, a region of quiet stability where the forces of the galaxy blended into a near-constant field. But the universe had other plans. Voyager 1 began sending back data that defied all predictions. Its instruments recorded faint, almost ghost-like fluctuations in the magnetic field, tiny pulses, like whispers in the silence of deep space. These were not random glitches or background noise. They carried a pattern, a rhythm, as though something unseen was gently tugging at the very fabric of the cosmos. By all current models, the heliopause should mark a sharp boundary. Beyond it, the sun's influence fades completely, replaced by the steady, unchanging environment of interstellar space. Yet Voyager 1 revealed the opposite. This frontier was alive, trembling with subtle energy. The signals raised profound questions. Were they echoes from cosmic events millions of light-years away, distant supernovae, collapsing stars, or ripples left behind by phenomena humanity has never observed? Or could they be evidence of hidden forces pressing directly against our solar system, streams of galactic energy, perhaps, or winds from neighboring stars shaping the very skin of our heliosphere? Some scientists imagine the solar system as a boat on a vast interstellar ocean. Voyager 1, in this vision, is the first oar dipping into those waters, feeling the currents of a galactic tide. Others propose something even more radical, that these fluctuations may hint at a hidden network, an invisible web of energy connecting star systems across the Milky Way. Imagine bridges made not of matter but of force, invisible streams linking worlds separated by light years, carrying energy or even information across cosmic distances. If true, this could transform our understanding of how the galaxy is structured, revealing that stars are not isolated beacons in the void, but connected parts of a much greater whole. The implications are staggering. What if the cosmos itself is threaded by unseen pathways of power? What if our solar system is being pushed, pulled, or shaped by forces far beyond the reach of current science? Visionaries such as Elon Musk have already suggested that discoveries like these could accelerate the development of interstellar spacecraft. For Musk and others, Voyager's findings are not just curiosities, they are the first clues to a roadmap, one that could guide humanity beyond its home star and into the broader galaxy. Could Voyager 1's signals even point toward phenomena we have never considered before? New types of energy? Unknown laws of physics? Or perhaps something stranger still, an entirely new aspect of reality, waiting to be uncovered? Each transmission from Voyager is like a fragment of a puzzle, a piece of a story far larger than ourselves. Perhaps these signals will one day guide us to signs of life beyond the solar system. Or perhaps they will reveal truths about the universe that no theory has yet dared to imagine. More than 47 years after launch, Voyager 1 remains humanity's most distant explorer. And even now, it continues to redefine what is possible. Though its technology is decades old, it sends us glimpses of the cosmos that push science forward and spark new questions in every generation. Every faint signal it sends is not just data, it is a reminder. A reminder that the universe is stranger, larger, and more mysterious than we have ever dared to believe. Voyager 1 has crossed boundaries no human-made object has ever reached. It has shown us that even our boldest missions are only the beginning of a much greater journey. We live on a fragile world, orbiting a single star, at the edge of a galaxy filled with countless others. And Voyager 1 whispers from the frontier that exploration is not over, it is only just beginning. The next great discovery is always waiting, hidden just beyond the horizon. And the edge of the known universe is not a barrier. It is an invitation, to look deeper, to dream larger, and to travel farther than ever before. Because the journey of discovery never ends. And Voyager 1 proves that even the oldest spacecraft can still teach us the newest truths about the universe.